Judge questions legitimacy of Lindsey Halligan's interim U.S. attorney role. On Thursday, U.S. District Judge Cameron Currie signaled serious doubts about the legal footing of Lindsey Halligan's brief tenure as interim U.S. attorney for Virginia's Eastern District, a position she received after President Donald Trump pressed Attorney General Pam Bondi to install her quickly. The judge's hesitation centers on two key issues. First, Halligan's lone presence during a crucial grand jury session, and second, the absence of a portion of the grand jury transcript that should document the final minutes of that meeting. That missing record leaves the prosecutor's actions unreviewable and fuels arguments at the indictment against former FBI Director James Comey, who is accused of obstructing justice and lying to Congress about his 2020 testimony, may be compromised. The same uncertainty extends to the indictment of New York Attorney General Letitia James, who faces bank fraud and false statement charges tied to a Virginia property loan. Halligan's appointment came after Eric Siebert, the prior interim attorney, reached the 120-day statutory limit, prompting Bondi to name Halligan in a move Trump publicly endorsed. Comey's lawyers and James's counsel contend that Halligan was ineligible because the interim slot had already been filled to its maximum term. Justice Department Attorney Henry Whitaker framed the controversy as a mere paperwork slip, asserting that Bondi had already retroactively ratified Halligan's actions, but Currie remained unconvinced, especially after learning that the grand jury transcript portion concerning Halligan's presentation was never recorded. The hearing, just over an hour long, featured Comey in the courtroom while James stayed away. Halligan herself did not speak. Beyond the immediate legal stakes, the case spotlights a broader constitutional debate about presidential authority to circumvent Senate confirmation for U.S. attorneys and the potential erosion of the separation of powers. Defense lawyers warn that accepting retroactive appointments could set a precedent allowing private actors such as Steve Bannon or Elon Musk to secure indictments that are later blessed by the Justice Department, effectively sidelining the Senate's confirmatory role. Currie is expected to issue a ruling before Thanksgiving, a decision that could either preserve the high-profile prosecutions or dismantle them if Halligan's appointment is ruled invalid.